Alright guys, let's slam this monster truck.
This car is way too high. We're gonna install some coilovers on it. And don't forget to get your merch because I will be giving this car away. Lowering your car doesn't only look cool, you can improve handling, reduce risk of rollover, and improve gas mileage. So let's raise the car and remove the wheels. We're gonna remove 2 bolts that hold the strut to the knuckle.
Alright, now we're going to take out the 13s on top of the strut right here.
And now we can remove the original strut. We're going to compare it to the coilover and adjust it accordingly depending on how low we want it. Now let's do the rear. For the rear of the car, we are going to have to remove the caliper. Then we remove the bottom 2 bolts. And finally the top. Now we can remove the strut, adjust our coilover, install it back in the car, lower the car, and it was that easy to slam a car. Follow to learn more.